Good afternoon, all of you. I hope my screen is clearly visible and I am clearly audible to all of you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So let's start today's Bazaar Pe Charcha. Today is 22nd August 2024. Market is once again reclaiming a new all-time high of previous all-time high of 25,000. So this is the disc before starting our session, today's session Bazaar Pe Charcha. This is the disclaimer that I am going to discuss with read for you. That registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks, and read all the related documents carefully before investing. Then our company name, SEBI registration number, address, phone number, compliance officer number, details are given. Now, as usual, before starting today's session, uh, 1 second, I am facing some. Okay. So before starting this today's session, this is the synopsis of our overall market, including benchmark index and broader market. And this data is captured as per O'Neill methodology of market direction that you must be aware that we follow the unique methodology to uh, analyze market and market direction especially. And in that we categorize market in four different segment like confirmed uptrend or rally, then uptrend under pressure, and then next one is correction, downtrend or correction, and next is rally attempt. And there is some rule bounded to all these four categories. If certain rule applies, then it will fall into this or that or that. So as per that, I can see here, or you can see here, that our benchmark index Nifty 50 and Sensex both are in confirmed uptrend. And apart from that, this broader market index like mid cap 100 is also in confirmed uptrend. Pharma, FMCG is in uptrend, while other indices majorly in uptrend under pressure. So I can say here that the overall market or majority of the market is in confirmed uptrend, I can say. Only major index, if I talk about, is this Bank Nifty. So bank is in under pressure, and then this another one is this energy is an under pressure. So this major index banking, because banking has a weightage of almost 40% kind of, and then energy is another highest component in market, is in under pressure, while other major index like FMCG is in confirmed uptrend. So weightage wise, if I categorize once again as per NSC index weightage, so I can say almost approximately uh, 1/3 of market is in confirmed uptrend, excluding, I'm not talking about Nifty 50 and Sensex, I'm just talking about indices, sectoral indices. So out of that sector or whatever is weightage, on the basis of weightage, I can say that approximately 1/3 of the 1/3 weightage of market is in uptrend or confirmed uptrend, while 2/3 is uptrend under pressure. Means there is no correction or a clear-cut downtrend. And if you see the performance, so last 1 week performance is a clearly green side or bullish side, while this the mid cap index means broader market has outperformed, IT index has outperformed, metal has outperformed. It has shown strong recovery from the lower level in last at least 5 trading sessions, and because of that there is some outperformance happened. Same in 1 month time frame, it is a mixed picture, while if you look on this 3 month data and 6 month data, 12 month data, almost all the indices, sectoral indices are trending in bullish trend with a strong return, strong return. So now let's move on chart. so we can discuss further how it is technically placed and all. So first chart is this Nifty 50. If you see this Nifty 50 chart, so Nifty 50 chart on Nifty 50, this Nifty 50 index is once again approaching to previous all-time high that was happened a few weeks back, especially on this 1st August when Nifty first time has recorded 25,000 print on chart, and afterward because of US economic data, and then followed by FOMC meeting and their commentary about recessionary situation, interest rate. There was a gap down opening happened, and then but it took support around 50 DMA. That black color line, you can say it is a 50 DMA, and there is a strong bounce back happened. Further, just I want to draw your attention about one thing that we have started every week on Friday. Till now, what we were doing, that we were writing a report, writing about Nifty and sectoral indices. But now we have changed our pattern. Instead of writing report, every Friday, we have already started that we have recording the short market analysis about Nifty and other things. So last week, from the last couple of weeks, you can find videos every Friday. So last week on last Friday, we have recorded video myself, my colleague Rahi, Atisa, and Mayuresh. And in clearly, I have shared my opinion about Nifty 50. Last to last week, I have shared that maybe it will remain traded in sideways. While but in last week, on last Friday, I have clearly mentioned that sustainable trading above this 2400, 550. Maybe possibilities are quite high that index is ready to move toward 24, 800, 850. So today, the target that we have discussed on that recording, that you can find that recording on MarketSmith website, as well as you can find on Twitter or various social handles, etc. So just go and check. We have so just I'm trying to say that whatever we have expected on last recording on Friday, market is exactly we have till now. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is the last day. Video or a new recording about this Nifty 50 performance and how it may remain traded in coming days. That is the expectation. So this time, our expectation that Nifty 50 met our expectation exactly, and now it is almost approaching to previous all-time high, that is 25,000. Now what next actually? So from here, if you see this range of this 24,850, 24,950 is a critical, or I can say 24,850 to 25,000 is a critical zone. And suppose it will cross this that particular range 24,850 to 25,000, then one can expect that this Nifty 50 index is ready to move further in upward trajectory beyond 25,000. And maybe in such case, in such scenario, this 25,500 or 600 kind of levels may also be achievable in coming days and coming weeks. But suppose it will not cross that level, that level is range is 24,850 to 25,000, then maybe it will remain traded lackluster or sideways, and then once again it will form range of 24,500 to 25,000, and likewise. But currently, the way index is moving, there is a participation happening, especially from IT sector, FMCG sector, and now gradually, banking is also showing some sort of positive acceleration. When I will share about my views about Nifty 50, then I will discuss in the bank Nifty, then I will discuss in detail. So banking is also, there is some flavor returning in banking sector. So after considering all these fixed factor, maybe possibilities are there, not that much high, but at least I can say more than 50% possibilities are there that most probably this Nifty 50 index, not today, then tomorrow will surpass this congestion area, that is 24,850 to 25,000. And then maybe it will move toward 25,500, 25,600 kind of level. So in short, trend is bullish. Index is trending above all key moving averages. and possibilities are there that once it will cross that range of 150 point, that is 24,850 to 25,000. So maybe possibilities are there that it may move toward 25,500, 25,600 kind of range in coming days and coming weeks. So our opinion is bullish, but suppose it will not cross that range, so maybe it will remain traded in the range bound zone, and that range is 24,500 approximately. Range is downsided plus minus 50 100 point. I am not denying for that. And 25,000 kind of range is side in upside. So that is the range if it will not cross and have level. Otherwise, overall trend and sentiment is bullish in market. Only concern is that in recent rally, there is a less volume acceleration. Whatever rally happened in past or 5 6 trading sessions, volume is not that much exciting. So that is the only concern. But let's see, we need some confirmation. Maybe suppose it will cross that congestion area, that is 24,850 to 25,000. Then we can expect more volume in Nifty 50. So volume is not only the criteria. On the basis of that we can take decision that there is a no volume, so we should take cautious approach. Yes, obviously we should take cautious approach always, but yes, volume is one criteria. Then, but another criteria, others criteria are suggesting that possibilities are there, not that much strong, but yes, at least more than 50% possibilities are there that it may cross that range and may enter into fresh uncharted trajectory in coming days. Nifty 50. Now, apart from Nifty 50, if I discuss about Bank Nifty, so once again, like we have discussed last week recording, that Nifty 50 is underperforming, and it may remain underperformance may remain in continuation. But at the same time, I have mentioned a level in that video. You can go and check that recording. We can find on various sources that most probably this range of approximately 51,500 is a critical area, critical zone. Suppose it will cross and hold that 51,500, then only we can expect that fresh bullish trend, otherwise not. And if you see this week performance of Nifty, it has not crossed. And once again, I would like to give my disclaimer that it is not like we have commented, but yes, it looks like that's why we have commented. So there is some pattern formation on Nifty 50, sorry, Bank Nifty. If you see the Bank Nifty chart from the last 1 month, after this, it has formed the all-time high around this 53,000. This charts are showing lower top, lower bottom formation here. And it is trending below 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average placed in that particular range, 51,000 to 51,500 range. Then there was a gap down opening. Gap down area, upper zone of this gap down area is placed in that 51,000, 51,500. There are so many reasons. That is why we have commented that the 51,500 is a key level to watch. The day it will cross that 51,500, then only we can expect bullish trend in Bank Nifty. Otherwise, it will remain traded in sideways. So maybe let's see how things will improve in coming days. Especially mid-sized banks are comparatively doing good. PSU banks are doing good. Not all, but majority of the PSU banks are doing good. Only there is no participation from large banks. Large banks like Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Bank and Axis Bank. But yes, uh, there is a bullish formation is already happening, but we are still waiting for breakout. Suppose if a breakout will happen on the stocks, so we can expect there will be fresh breakout on Bank Nifty also, and then maybe Bank Nifty will also ready to move beyond previous all-time high, that is 53,000. But till now there is no sign of breakout. We are just waiting and watching it closely, and just keep watching in Bank Nifty range of 51,500. Suppose it will cross 51,500, then one can expect a strong bullish trend in emergence of a strong bullish trend in Bank Nifty. However, in downside, this 49,500 kind of range is a quite a strong support area. And suppose it will breach that 49,500, then only we can expect there is a more downfall will happen Bank Nifty, otherwise trend. And suppose it will not cross 51,500, so most probably it will remain traded in range bound zone of almost 2,000, and that range is 49,500 in downside and 51,500 kind of zone in upside. So there are three ways. One, crossing above 51,500, one can expect more bullish trend. Suppose it will remain traded below that, so maybe range is 49,500 to 51,500. And suppose it will breach 49,500, then one can expect more downtrend. Okay. Apart from this, another index that I would like to discuss, sectoral index, that is FMCG index. So if you, maybe a few people of you, our participants are aware that we have published a report, sector specific report in last week of July, covering this FMCG index when it was in consolidation zone. Consolidation zone means, if I annotate this chart for you, then this is the range consolidation zone, consolidation area. And we have mentioned last week of July that maybe outperformance may remain continuation in this FMCG index. Now, this index has clearly given fresh breakout after this bullish flag continuation pattern, I can say. So after considering the bullish flag continuation pattern, we can expect some more bullish trend in coming days. And maybe this particular index is ready to move toward almost 65,000 kind of zone in coming days. The possibilities are there, positivities are there. We are expecting that 65,000, 65,500 kind of levels in coming days in Nifty FMCG. Overall trend and sentiment is bullish. There are so many stocks among this particular sector which are really doing good, and it is in continuation. On the basis of that, it looks index is looking quite attractive. And now index is also, after almost 3 weeks of continuation consolidation, it has given a fresh breakout over this bullish flag continuation pattern. Momentum is bullish, trending above all key moving averages. There are so many technical factors to discuss. So after considering all these things, I can say this trend may remain in continuation in coming days towards 65,000, 66,000. So now I have discussed Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and FMCG. Now my colleague Rahi is here. He will discuss few sectors with you. Then I will come back to you again.
Thank you so much, Pawan.
Please share your screen. I am going to stop it.
Yeah. I have already shared it.
So Rahi is going to, I think, which sector you are going to discuss, Rahi, first?
Yeah. I want to discuss about Nifty Auto.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Yeah, what is happening here? I don't know. Just a screen issue, I think. Why it is coming like this? Anyways, where I should open. That is good. So I was talking about Nifty Auto, Nifty Pharma, Nifty IT, and Nifty Metal. So the chart that you are seeing is Nifty Auto. So Nifty Auto is currently trading in the side range after hitting its recent high at 26,930 around here. You can see the index is actually witnessed some selling pressure here, and from this level actually the index has witnessed selling pressure, and it has also breached its 50 DMA and 21 DMA as well. And from past 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you can say, in this range it is trading in very tight range. So overall sentiment in this particular index is actually slightly, I can say, it is deteriorated, but it's still it is holding above its 50 DMA. So that is one positive sign. And if it is breaching its 50 DMA, then we can expect that index might move towards 24,000 level as well. But if it is holding above that level, then 26,000 to 26,700 का एक बड़ा रेसिस्टेंस देखने को मिल सकता है. अगर वो रेसिस्टेंस पार करता है तो in the index might move towards the recent high, and then it can accelerate towards upside. But it also depend upon the price action in upcoming days and how the price action is behaving. Then based on that, we can we'll analyze the index after it. So this was about Nifty Auto, and now I will be talking about Nifty Pharma. So Nifty Pharma, you can see that index is trending in the bullish trend only. There is no sign of weakness so far. It is trending above its all key moving average. So you can just ride this bullish rally. And if this bullish rally continues, if this bullish trend is still continues further, then index might move towards 23,000 level as well. So overall, there is no weakness in this Nifty Pharma index, and it can move towards 23,000 in upcoming days if this bullish momentum sustains. The next one is Nifty IT. So Nifty IT mein what has happened, that there was a significant consolidation phase that has emerged here after, we can say, like 16th of February 2024 till, we can say, here, that is 4th of June 2024. So almost 5 to 6 months of consolidation has happened in IT index, and after hitting it recent low at 31,320 here, the index has actually tried to move towards upside, और इसमें एक significant rally देखने को मिला. And after if you look at this particular date here on 29th of July, then index has actually faced some kind of resistance here at 41,300 level, and we have seen just a small consolidation, and then again a buying interest emerge. Now the index is actually tending towards tending in the bullish zone, and there is no sign of weakness as of now. It is tending up its all key moving averages. And also, if this bullish momentum continues in Nifty IT as well, then the index might move towards 42,000. अगर 42,000 को sustain करता है ये index, if it is reclaiming above this 22,000 level, then it might move towards 22,400 to 22,500 in upcoming days or weeks. And the next index is Nifty Metal. So Nifty Metal में we after this formation of a recent high on 3rd of June, and again there is one more, we can say that the double top formation here, and then we have seen that there has been selling pressure that has emerged here, and we have seen that consolidation has taken place. In this journey of consolidation and the supply that has emerged here, the index has moved to under pressure from rally, and then it has moved to downtrend as well. But after moving to the downtrend, the index has moved to the rally attempt as well. And recently we have shifted this index to the rally because it has not breached the recent one day of a rally, means rally attempt low, and then index has actually sustained above 1% with higher volume than yesterday in the rally attempt phase. So we have moved the index to the uptrend. But still, if you can see that 100 DMA might act as a hurdle, even the 21 DMA also that might act as a hurdle. अगर इसको sustain करता है, if this index sustain above or surpass these hurdles, then we can see that a fresh rally, or we can see like a buying interest might emerge, which might move the index towards 10,000 level in upcoming days. But if it is not holding, or if it is not surpassing that level, then it can move in the side range, and side range may be around in the range of 8,700 to we can say like uh, here we can say 8,700 to 9,000 to 9,250 kind of levels. So this was about Nifty Metal. So we need to wait and watch how the price action is behaving, and based on that we can take our call. So I think two more indexes left on. Please take
Yes,
the
can you please share Nifty Reality Chart,
yeah, sure.
Nifty Reality Index? So Nifty Reality Index, if you people are consistently following us via Bazaar pe Charcha, so from the last almost couple of months, I can say we have clearly mentioned our views about this Nifty Reality Index, and in that Reality Index, our clear-cut comment was that now, most probably after almost 3 year kind of old rally, that this current ongoing rally is going to end, and one can expect time-wise correction as well as price-wise correction in coming days and coming weeks and coming months. When it was around 1100, 1150, I can say 1100 approximately, not 50, 1100. Yes. And now from 1100, it is almost breached 50 DMA, then 100 DMA also. up to below 1,000, but there was some reverse recovery happened in past couple of weeks. But this particular index is still not out of the wood. If you check its overall performance in last couple of weeks or last 3 weeks, it is consistently hovering around this 100 DMA, and the pattern formation and everything is happening. So it has not given breakdown, but pattern is just showing that lower top, lower bottom formation first thing, and another thing is bearish flag continuation pattern. Now, current rate is approximately 1040, 1042, and validation of this bearish flag continuous pattern may happen maybe below 1015 kind of range, 1015, 1020. So suppose this, if it will validate this particular range, so maybe one can expect another 10% of fall in this particular index in coming days and coming weeks is very smooth manner or very easy manner, not smooth, but easy manner. So it is this, so this index is now looking quite weak, I can say, at least in our opinion. And maybe suppose it will breach this 100 DMA first, and then suppose there is a validation happen on this bearish flag continuation pattern below 1015, 1020, then one can expect another 10% of kind of fall, or maybe beyond that. But let's take conservative approach, so 10% of kind of fall may happen in this reality index. So while taking position in this particular space and particular sector, I would advise to follow a little bit of cautious approach, because there is some negativity at time being. But what is the upside? So I can say, suppose it will cross approximately range of 1100, then I can say that's whatever opinion I have just shared, that it will negate that opinion. So maybe subject to crossing and holding above 1100, there may be a continuation of fresh bullish trend, and maybe that index will ready to move previous all time high as well. But in my opinion, at least at current moment of time, I can say possibility of going upside is quite low compared to possibility of going downside. So most probably, in my opinion, this particular index either maybe remain traded in sideways, or maybe it will break down below that range. But currently it has not breached. But yes, I would suggest to just follow cautious approach. Maybe suppose it will breach, so maybe one can expect a little bit of negativity. But yes, suppose at the same time, on flip side, on upper side, suppose it will give breakout or cross approximately 1090, 1100 kind of zone. So I can say that that is the beginning of a fresh bullish trend. Okay, so next is Nifty Energy. Right? Hello,
Yes, yes.
Nifty Energy.
Already
So
opened.
yeah, so Nifty Energy, if you see Nifty Energy Index, so Nifty Energy is showing quite mixed kind of picture. It is very difficult to analyze or very difficult to take any clear cut opinion in Nifty Energy, because if you do the component analysis of Nifty Energy, so few sectors, there are various sectors and among this energy index as well, like one is oil marketing company, another is this Reliance kind of big giant company, other companies are also there. So all these companies this showing different pictures. Like if I talk about oil marketing company, so oil marketing companies like Hindustan Petroleum, BPCL is showing positivity. Even IOC is also a little bit showing positivity. But while at the same time, if you Reliance, even if I talk about Reliance, so Reliance is also in consolidation phase, and showing some sort of positivity, but still it has not given breakout. Maybe breakout will happen beyond 3000, 3050. There is a congestion area of 50 rupees, that's 3000, 3050. The day it will give breakout about 3050, then I can say there is a valid breakout in Reliance. So Reliance may also perform. So there is a mixed picture. That is why I am expecting mixed kind of movement may happen in Nifty Reality and Nifty Energy Index. But yes, the way components are moving, especially oil marketing companies and Reliance, then maybe it would be ready to move further from current level. And if I talk about levels point of view, So Nifty Energy is currently placed around approximately 1 second. Uh, Nifty Energy. So Nifty Energy is currently placed around 43,000 kind of zone, 53,300. So maybe if things will improve like I am expecting, especially in oil marketing companies and Reliance and all. So maybe this particular index will again would ready to move beyond previous all-time high, that is 44,000 approximately, and maybe ready to move toward 45,000. If I talk about downside, so downside strong support in Nifty Energy Index is placed around approximately 42,000 kind of zone. So 42,000 from current range, almost 3% away, or I can say 1,300 kind of points away from current level. But yes, nearest strong support is placed around 42,000. Unless and until it is holding above 42,000, there is a hope of bounce back. But suppose it will not, or suppose it will breach in coming days and coming weeks, then only we can expect more negativity. Yes, but instead of taking a clear-cut view on Nifty Energy, I would suggest to focus on stock-specific action. There are few stocks which are really doing good. There are few stocks which are not doing good, trading in sideways or showing some negativity. So I would suggest to be specific, stock-specific in this particular space. So now I think we have discussed all the major sectors. Media sector only pending. So we are expecting some positivity in that media. It is on the verge of downward sloping trend line breakout media index. And just for your information, today only, I think we have recorded a video that is the covering media index and few stocks which are really doing good and may do good in coming days. That is a short analysis of almost 10 minute, I think, me and my team, everybody. And that is already released. You can find on MarketSmith website. You can find it on Twitter and everywhere. So just go and check about media. What is our view on how it looks like to us and what how various stocks may do in coming days in as per our analytical point of view. So I'm not covering. This is my opinion about media index and media stocks. Just go. Which I would request to please go and watch that recording and video, which you can find on various platforms. Okay, so I think we should start a query. Uh, Please open this chat box so people can start asking query. Yes, I think we already got first query. Oh. So BPCL, first query. So if I talk about BPCL, so as I told you, as I just commented, this media oil marketing company out of energy pack is looking quite attractive. And one of that is BPCL, SPCL. So looking positive, the way it is moving, so maybe one can expect more bullish trend or bullish kind of level or upper kind of level, upside kind of level in coming days. So the way it is moving on the basis of this chart pattern and everything, I can say possibilities are there that this particular may move toward, this particular stock may move toward at least 365, 370 kind of zone. 5-6% move may happen in coming days in BPCL and SPCL as well. So positive bias, trend positive. Hope for the best in coming days. Next is
Varrock.
Varrock. So Varrock, if I talk about Varrock, so disclaimer is that this MarketSmith team is already holding this stock in their model portfolio. And today in today's trading session, stock has shown strong reversal and gained around almost 13%. And the way volume action happened and the way this big bullish candle formation happened on daily chart, I can say there may be some
I
sign of
request you to share your screen. I think there is a slow in my internet. Some slowness has
okay,
happened.
okay. 1 second.
Okay. Please open that stock also, Varrock Engineering, in your screen.
1 second. Nifty. Okay. Varrock. I think my screen is visible now.
Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay. So this Varroc, the way movement happened today and all, and Market Smith is already holding. So maybe possibilities are there that the trend reversal happened in this particular stock. But yes, I would suggest to follow Market Smith team and their action regarding that, because we have vested interest. Vested interest means we have already recommended this stock to our in our model portfolio. To just follow Market Smith team opinion about this stock, and they are holding, so maybe they are expecting quite good price move in coming days, that's why holding. But yes, you can follow them and take actions according to them, or as per your wish, it's up to you.
So may I take some of the queries?
Yes, please.
Okay.
One question, yes, what is the reason for fall in Kain's tech? What is support level? Okay, can you take Kain's only? Kain's
Give me
Kayn.
one. Okay, I'm opening that. Where it is falling, it is in the bullish trend only. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. It has opened now.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is the chart of Kens, and the stock has gained around 54% from the pivot level in 64 days. The stock is trending in the bullish trend, only 3 days of fall, and that is also like very negligible, we can say. It is not even 5% also in the past 3 days. So after having such rally, we can expect some small correction or consolidation or even a formation of new base also. But overall, if you look at the chart itself, there is no sign of weakness and it is in the bullish trend only. So if you are holding the stocks, my session would be like you can remain invested. And if you look at this EPS rating, it is 99, price 10, 90, bias demand A, and group rank rating. All these are great actually. So if you are invested in this stock, then please remain invested. Okay, so now the first query that I have selected was NCC. So NCC is trading in the sideways to we can say consolidation phase. It is trading, and especially from the 31st of July, the stock is actually witnessed some profit booking, we can say, and it has also breached its 21 DMA and 50 DMA together simultaneously, we can say. So it is somehow some negativity, some negative sentiment or supply is more here. So I would not suggest you to buy the stock, especially if it is falling. Once it is reclaiming its 50 DMA, which is just 2.5%, and 21 DMA as well. So you can think of buying it. And if you are holding the stocks from the time of the breakout here as well, like from the breakout level, it has gained around 89%. And if you're still holding the stock, then you can remain invested in this particular stock. And you need to identify your own stop loss criteria if it is matching with your parameters. So this was about NCC. The next one is CAPSET. So CAPSET infrastructure, I think MSI has not added it. No. Okay, so CAPSET is actually trending in the bullish zone only, and after having this consolidation based breakout, the index has gained around 16%, which is actually good in just 16 days only. So there is no sign of weakness, and if you look at the volume profile of this particular stock, it is above average volume. The spike is really good. And also if you look at the buyer strength, it is A plus, and EPS strength 87, which is also good. So as of now, there is no sign of weakness in this particular stock. It is actually trending in the bullish zone only. Now the next one is IEX. So IEX has seen a lot of volatility and zigzag kind of formation here. After having this double bottom formation breakout that has emerged here somewhere, and then the index has gained around 23% in 80 days. 80 days, yeah, and as of now, there has been some kind of consolidation, we can say. Like it is a stock is facing resistance around its 200 rupees, we can say, or 201 200 rupees or 201, and it is standing with the support of 21 DMA as well. If you see, you can see it here on 14th of August. It has not breached that. It is respecting it, and from the very next day we have seen a bounce back from that level. So overall, there is no weakness. There is no technical weakness in this particular stock as well. The next one is sale. Sale is tending in the consolidation phase only. And if you look at here, this we have seen a consolidation phase after having this 175 high, the recent high that it has formed. After that, it has been forming lower high and low price structure, and it is falling gradually. And in this process, it has breached its all key moving average, and here it has breached its 200 DMA as well. But after having this breach, we have seen that there is significant buy, not that much, but and it has tried to reclaim its 21 DMA as well. But if you look at the volume profile of this particular stock, so volume is not that great. So that is the only point of concern in this particular stock. But as far if it is respecting its 200 DMA, and if it is holding above that, it is good. And based on that, you can take your call. But the overall sentiment is negative, and the stock is in the consolidation phase only. ये हो गया Kens. The next one is Tata Elxsi. So Tata Elxsi also, it is standing with negative bias, and it has been forming continuously lower high and low price structure on the daily chart, and we have seen a very long consolidation, and still it is in the consolidation phase only. So especially I will not suggest to buy these stocks, especially when it is in the deterioration phase, or whether the supply is more here, we can see. So I think you need to wait and watch, and if it is try to reclaim its 200 DM gradually, and then we can see the volume spike movement, then we can think of uh, about it. But as of now, the trend is negative, and overall it is trending with negative bias only. And the next one is BDL, Bharat Dynamics. So Bharat Dynamics is also trading with negative bias only. And if you look at the chart of the Bharat Dynamics, then yeah, so Bharat Dynamics has also consolidated after hitting its recent high at 1794 here. We have seen that the stock has witnessed some selling pressure, and but here in this space, on the day when it has breached its 100 EM, but also on the same day it has reclaimed it. That is one positive sign, but still it is hovering around its 100 EMA, and the buying interest is not that great. Supply is more here, so I would not suggest you to buy this stock, especially when it is in the consolidation phase. The next one is Alicon. Sorry. Sorry, what has happened? Okay. Alicon Engineering. Okay. Alicon, what is the market cap? So Alicon has given the breakout, and it has a cup with handle formation breakout. And also, if you look at the volume profile, it is above average volume, and it is just 3% from the pivot level in day one. So which is actually good, and overall sentiment is positive. If you look at the piece strength, it is 99, and buyer demand is A minus. That is good. So if you are thinking to buy the stock, you can, but again, it depends upon your risk reward ratio.
Okay. So I'm taking one stock that is PCBL,
Okay.
Philips Carbon Black. So PCBL is sorry.
Please let me open the screen first.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it is open.
PCBL is in confirmed uptrend, trending into uncharted trajectory, and the way stock started moving from the last couple of months, and the way it is moving in this month and this week, I can say I would suggest to just it is very difficult to take fresh position after considering risk reward ratio and all. But yes, if someone is holding, so I would definitely suggest to remain holding. Just follow, trail your stop loss, just follow the trend, just ride the trend. That's it. Need not require to churn your portfolio or churn your stock without any reason. So if someone is holding, just remain invested in this and just trailing your stop loss. That's it. Maybe the way stock is moving from the last couple of months, I can say more upside is expected in this particular stock. Even though from the short-term perspective, stock is showing little bit of extended trend, but yes, the way it is moving, possibilities are there that it may move further from current level. So just ride your rally, just ride the rally with revised stop loss or trailing stop loss.
Next stock.
Uh, Next one is I am taking a one view on pharma, sorry, not pharma, a pharma fertilizer stock. So
Okay, Deepak
fertilizer
Fertilizers.
stock today, yes. So today let's take any fertilizer like here query is
Someone
Deepak
has
fertilizer.
asked about Deepak Fertilizers, I think.
Yeah, Deepak fertilizer. So today, if I share my view about fertilizer, so in today's trading session only, there were a lot of positive actions happened in entire this fertilizer pack. Any stock if you check government fertilizer company, state government fertilizer company, private fertilizer company, all stocks were really doing good in trading sessions. So I can say that there is some emergence of fresh trend in entire this fertilizer basket, be it FACT, RCA, Madras Fertilizer, NFL, UPL, Deepak Nitrite, BASF. Entire stocks were really doing good. So maybe the way it is moment is happening, some things, positive things are improving, and maybe possibilities are there that uh, this stock may do well in coming days as well. So this is my view about after considering today's trend about entire fertilizer pack, including the Deepak fertilizer and all other stocks whichever I have discussed. Natco Pharma, right?
Hmm.
So
Oh.
Natco Pharma again trend is positive, trending in uncharted trajectory. In last 1 year performance is really good. You can say in last 1 year stock doubled almost. I can say from the almost 750 800 to 1500 kind of zone. And the way this stock is moving again, I would suggest to remain invested and remain holding this particular stock for more uptrend in coming weeks and coming months. So trend is positive. I would suggest to hold. Next is
Nestle.
Nestle, yes, let's take Nestle. So Nestle, if I talk about Nestle, so uh, FMCG Index has given fresh breakout, while this Nestle is in confirmed uptrend, no doubt. But yes, there is some slowness happen or trend detour happen, trend deterioration happen, especially from this July month onward, I can say. But still, there is some strong support area that is in the range of 2450, 2500, and afterward, again, it has started moving upside. Now, stock has given breakout about 2500, 30 kind of range. So, in my opinion, suppose if this particular stock remain holding about 2530 means 2530 about that, then I can say this current ongoing trend may remain in continuation, and one can expect 2600 to 2700 kind of zone in coming days and coming weeks. The possibilities are there, and further, suppose it will cross 2650, then maybe 2800 kind of range is also expected. So trend is positive. Suppose it is holding that's 2530, which is very much close to this current price or 2500. So maybe the possibilities are there that it may further resume upside trend toward 2600 to 2700 kind of zone in coming weeks and coming days and coming weeks. Next is next is
Concor
next
and KEC.
sorry,
Concor and KEC.
Concor.
May I take that?
Yes, please.
So this is the daily chart of Concor, and we can see like there has been uh, profit booking in this particular stock after hitting its recent high on June 3rd or June 4th, I can say like 1180, and where then the stock has faced resistance, and we have seen that it has accelerated towards the downside. In this process, it has breached its 50 DMA, 21 DMA, and 100 DMA as well. But it is getting support near its 200 DMA, which is black line is my 200 DMA. So after this support, the stock is trying to rise towards upside, but still it is not out of the wood, we can say, and still it is in the consolidation phase only. So as of now, you can take this in your watch list, and at least once it is reclaiming its 21 DMA, this top line which is in the red color, that is I think 50 DMA, which is just 4.5% away from this line, from this level actually. So you can generate the call, but again it depends upon your risk reward ratio and your this thing, portfolio management, how you are managing your portfolio and what is your risk appetite. As of now, it is trading with negative bias, and there has been some more supply in this particular stock. The next one was KEC International, I think.
Yes,
KEC
please.
International. So KEC International also, it is trending with negative bias, we can say, or we can say there has been some profit booking has emerged here, where because of that, I will draw a line here, like after having after hitting its recent high here at 968, then again it has formed 954. So and after that we have seen that the stock has deteriorated, but here near its 100 DMA it is having some support, and but still it is trending in this range. So I think once it is not surpassing this resistance level, then it will be very difficult to say as of now. It all depend upon the price action in upcoming days, and based on that you can take your call, but as of now their stock is trending with negative bias. The next one,
Next one is Gulf Oil Lubricant. So this,
I have
if I
not
talk
opened
about
the
this,
screen, please let me open, then you can
yes, please.
Gulf file loose. I opened it, you can explain now.
Yes. So Gulf Oil Lubricant trending in uncharted trajectory at all-time high level around 1400. And after analyzing long-term chart, I can say there is still room for another at least 10%, 15% kind of move on chart. So I would suggest to remain invested in this. Maybe in near future, one can expect 1,550 to 1,600 kind of levels in Gulf Oil Lubricant. One another YouTube query is Rai Happiest Mind.
Okay, I am just opening that, please wait.
Yes. Yes. So if I talk about Happiest Mind, so stock is underperforming stock among this IT pack. If you see, IT is at new all-time high level. Lot of stocks are really doing good. Lot of mid cap IT, large cap IT are really doing good. But this stock is clear cut underperformer. It has still generated negative return. But yes, it has strong support area in the range of 750, and I think because of that only there's a strong bounce back happened in last few days, and from the 750 it bounced to almost 800, I can say now. But it is still not out of the wood. Maybe possibilities are there that this current ongoing bounce back may remain in continuation, and the stock has potential to move, or potential stock may move toward 830, 840 kind of zone. But to turn more bullish, it must cross that 850 kind of zone and remain holding above that. Then only we can say that there is a trend reversal. Otherwise, currently we can expect is a just some sort of bounce back kind of thing. But yes, currently from this 797 to 830, 840 bounce back, I'm not denying that bounce back may remain continuation on chart or in this particular stock in coming days. Now next is Biocon.
Okay.
So Biocon stock again is in confirmed uptrend, I can say. And from the last few days, there was some correction happened from the level of almost 370 to 325 kind of zone. But now this stock has once again started gaining its momentum. So maybe possibilities are there that it may move further from current level toward at least 380, 390 kind of zone. So I would suggest to remain holding. But yes, just keep watching one level in this 325. Suppose it will breach 325 and maybe breach below that and remain traded below that, then there may be negativity. Otherwise, the current ongoing, the way it is moving, maybe it may move toward 390 kind of zone in coming few weeks in Biocon. Mm,
Next one is GRSE.
GRSC. So if I talk about GRSC, so not only GRSC but this entire defense stock, I can say, is showing some serious kind of correction and serious kind of fall in last couple of months. And this GRSC is one of out of that. And stock has breached 50 DMA, approaching to 100 DMA. It has lost momentum in coming few days. So maybe this trend, current ongoing trend may remain in continuation in coming days also. Even though there is some sort of supported current price only, that is 1750 to 1700. But yes, maybe that support may show some bounce back, short-term bounce back toward 2000. I'm not denying for that, because anyway it is not going to fall in linear manner, or any particular stock is not going to gain in linear manner. So some zigzags kinds of pattern may happen in this stock. So short-term point of view, I'm not denying a few bounce back, but yes, now sentiment and scenario has changed for at least midterm point of view, that maybe correction to consolidation or time-wise correction or price-wise correction may further remain in continuation in coming days, excluding only this short-term point of view bounce back. So bounce back may happen, I'm not denying for that. But yes, structural point of view, it may take few more weeks to get settled and resume its uptrend. Not only GRSC, entire defense basket stocks, excluding one or two here and there. I'm not denying for that. Next is all
Next,
Rahi. It's a 530 almost. So what we
HAL.
can do, just you start suggesting me one by stock, one by one stock, and maybe I will try to cover maximum number of queries. So we will wrap up this session in next 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you just start suggesting me one by stock. So I will.
Okay. Take HAL.
Hindustan Aeronautics, same that I have discussed with you. HAL, lower top, lower bottom formation. It is still on 100 DMA. The day it will reach 100 DMA, maybe more negativity may be there. Support, major support from current level is around 4500. Bounce back side, I can say, if suppose bounce back will happen and cross 5100, 5200 zone, then only I would expect trend reversal, otherwise not. So I can say up range is currently 4500 to 5200, broad range of 10-12%. Either it will remain traded in that, and suppose it will breach downside, then one can expect to fall up to 4000 also. But for that, it must breach at least 4500 kind of level. So not looking that much attractive at current juncture. Next.
Sterling Tools.
Sterling tools we are not covering, so sorry for that. We cannot comment, I think. But yes, chart, on the basis of chart only, it is in a charted trajectory. And the way it is moving and the way it has given breakout in last month after so many months of consolidation. So maybe possibilities are there that there may be more gain at current juncture from current price level. Move may happen, but we are not tracking this stock frequently, so I cannot comment that much in detail manner. But yes, chart is looking attractive. You can remain invested in this particular stock. Next,
The next one is Praj Industry.
Praj. So Praj is once again trending into uncharted trajectory. Trend is positive, sentiment is bullish, momentum is bullish. So I would just suggest to hold and ride the current ongoing rally in this Praj industry, because there was a breakout happened in last week, and after that the way that it has given bullish breakout implications. So possibilities are there, if if everything goes well, the way it is moving in market and the stock and all. So maybe one can expect more upside toward maybe 850 to 900 kind of zone in Praj Industries.
Mold
Next,
packing.
Moltech Packaging.
I would
Uh, Clear cut in downtrend, I can say time
sorry,
being.
mold
From the
packaging.
last few months, it is consistently forming lower top, lower bottom formation. Now it is trending below all key moving averages. So maybe unless and until it is not crossing at least a level of 850, which is almost 10% from current level, our bias will remain negative. So timing, I would not suggest to anybody to buy stock. Only one can consider if it will cross and hold above 850. Next,
Next week, Triveni Engineering. Yeah,
Triveni.
Triveni Engineering. Yeah.
Okay. So Triveni, another bullish trend, trending into uncharted trajectory. Current rate is 455. Maybe remain in continuation in coming days. Bullish. Hold from my side. Next,
I think it is over now.
it is over. So I think we will wrap up the session. It is almost 5:35. So let's wrap up this session. Just before closing the session, I would suggest to just start follow us on MarketSmith website, various social media platform like Twitter and all. We are doing lot of initiative for you for the benefits of you. Just follow us via different media reports, video recordings, analysis. Like today we did it on media sector. Maybe tomorrow once again we are going to do weekly wrap about market, Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, and just follow us. We will find a lot of quality contents here with TraderSmith and MarketSmith as well. Thank you. Thank you for joining this session. Have a great day. Have a great trading days in coming days and coming months. Thank you.